Create ultra-bright, larger-than-life laser displays with Epson's brightest fixed-lens projectors. The PowerLite L-Series creates a breathtaking experience for your audience. With 8 models to choose from, these compact and powerful laser projectors offer up to 7,000 lumens of equal color and white brightness, with 3-chip 3LCD image quality. And with full HD WXGA resolution, your audience can see true-to-life images. Enhance spaces with large and captivating displays by projecting up to 500 inches from a single projector. Display ultra-wide 16:6 images that cover a large wall. Plus, you have the option to use split screen for side-by-side projection from multiple inputs at the same time. The PowerLite L-Series provides the largest maximum image size among 3LCD fixed-lens laser projectors. Designed for easy integration, these projectors include a virtually maintenance-free 20,000-hour laser light source and easy-to-use tools for simplified installation. Featuring 360-degree flexibility, built-in lens shift, edge blending, geometric correction tools, HD-based T and more. With built-in wireless networking on select models, you can display content from a PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, and Android mobile devices, or connect with Miracast. The PowerLite L-Series laser projectors are designed for many applications, from education to corporate and experiential. Redefine projection and captivate your audience with the powerful and compact PowerLite L-Series laser projectors, only from Epson. Epson, exceed your vision.